In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, then let's switch to contacts if you are not here, and then tap on the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then select edit icon and click on add photo. And now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me pick a photo and let's just apply a picture to this contact. So here you can also customize the picture. You can scroll it, you can zoom it in, out, rotate it, whatever you want, and then tap on save copy. Tap on save then, and from now on this picture is assigned to Tim, so anytime he will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.